Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see what are the items which are included in the portable high frequency. Actually, last it's like 1 year before I used to take treatment for the hair. See my hair, I lost a lot of hair, and it was very dry and dizzy. So I went to the local hair treatment and they suggested me this portable hair high frequency. And not only for hair, this you can use it for skin also, facial skin, especially for spots, to clear some spots. But I never use this for the face because I don't like it. Basically I went for the hair treatment is the comb. So I'll show you how this works actually. So how this works, and they charged me like 3400, means I purchased not in online, offline only, where I got the hair treatment, there only I got this. We need to plug this into the uh, power supply. Yeah, this is where I got the power supply, so I'll be keeping it here. See, there is the red light indication, right? Now you need to just comb your hair where you feel your hair become thin. Just like the normal comb, you need to comb it, but before using it by yourself, as I consulted the local hair care person. Yeah, see here, this is the intensity increase and decrease. See here, there is a rotation. See, this goes to off, maximum and minimum. So you need to adjust this intensity of this light. So the doctor will tell you the guidelines to follow, means according to your condition they will suggest at that point you need to increase and decrease this intensity and then go for it. Means they are doctors only, with their suggestion you can use this. And they suggested me to use it like at least thrice in a week, 3 times in a week. I can use this for 5 to 10 minutes. I can comb this with this. And there are totally other items. I'll show you what are there in the package. Just we need to replace that comb with this one. This you need to just apply it on face like here, but I never use this. Anyway, you need to just take the suggestion of the doctor, but I just want to showcase the extensions what you'll get this through this portable high frequency and the cost. And it mentioned like accelerate blood circulation, promote metabolism, promotes balance of clean secretion, restore firms skin and fights aging. Yeah, these are all these things, but to be honest, during this past 1 year I'm not using it at all. I have not using it at all because initially for a month I tried it using, so there are no better results at all. But the problem is with my diet. Actually I corrected my diet, then if I use this instrument, then it would be somewhat helpful, but without correcting my diet and my digestion problems. That's where I found out, and I just made my diet strict, and that helped me a lot. Maybe now I'll be using this one again. Maybe I'll check the results. If anyone wants to know the results for this, please do ask in the comments so that I'll be replying you. And without getting inside results, don't expect the results from the outside. Means your gut health and your proper diet should be the first priority other than this outside products. So that is my personal opinion. If anyone are just observed these sort of results, please do comment in the comment section below. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.